Welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today, we are taking you through another journey of learning your spiritual path. A day in the life of a Babalawo. This role is crucial in the Ifa tradition, and we will explore the daily rituals, responsibilities, and spiritual practices that shape their lives. Let's get started. A day in the life of a Babalawo begins with devotion. Yes, the day for a Babalawo begins with devotion. Their morning rituals are essential for setting a positive tone. They start with prayers and offerings to their orishas, invoking their blessings for the day ahead. Once these offerings are made, a Babalawo will often consult the Ifa oracle for personal guidance. This practice not only provides clarity on their own path, but also reinforces their connection to the spiritual realm. After this personal divination, they prepare for consultations. This involves gathering various tools, sacred objects, and offerings, creating a dedicated space for the spiritual work to come. Another day in the life of a Babalawo is serving the community. As clients begin to arrive, the Babalawo steps into their role as a spiritual guide. People come for diverse reasons, whether it's health concerns, relationship issues, or business advice. During the consultation, the Babalawo reads the Ifa oracle, interpreting the signs and symbols revealed. This is a profound moment, as the Babalawo offers insight that can help clients navigate their challenges and aspirations. But it's not just about interpretation. Providing solutions is key. The Babalawo offers spiritual advice, suggests rituals, and prescribes remedies tailored to each individual's needs. Now, let's take a glimpse into the Babalawo's sacred space, which is the Ile Ifa. Here, you will find shrines adorned with offerings, sacred objects, and symbols representing various orishas. Maintaining a clean and pure space is vital. This respect for spiritual energies creates an environment conducive to divination and healing. Speaking of orishas, each one plays a unique role within the Ifa tradition. Understanding these orishas and their attributes provides valuable context for the work a Babalawo does and the guidance they offer. Daily offerings and prayers are integral to sustaining a Babalawo's connection with the divine. This practice fosters a deep spiritual relationship that informs their work. Honoring ancestors and lineage is another important aspect. The Babalawo understands that family history and traditions are foundational to their spiritual practice. And let's not forget the role of music and dance. These elements are powerful expressions of devotion, helping to bridge the gap between the physical and spiritual worlds. Now let's talk about their life of service. The life of a Babalawo is one of dedicated service. They are spiritual leaders and guiders playing a vital role in their communities. Ongoing learning and growth are essential. A Babalawo constantly deepens their knowledge and understanding of Ifa, ensuring they remain effective in their guidance. Ultimately, the rewards of this spiritual life are profound. Connecting with a higher purpose and contributing to the well-being of others is what makes this path truly fulfilling. Thank you for joining me today as we have explored a day in the life of a Babalawo. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What aspect of Babalawo's life resonates with you the most? Until next time, stay connected to your spiritual journey.
Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the Super Thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community.